Okay. Guys, we are thinking of, you might fall.
Oh, there you go.
Making our own production, and the title is Silly Sisters, because we can feature many things in this country. And then we can go to different places and then interview people. It could be serious interview or it could be a funny interview. Like today, my sister, she's walking backward and she almost hit that big pole. She can be tumbling down, and then it is really a Silly Sister movie.
Sir, what do you think of that? Okay lang?
Kasi si sir, gusto sana niyang sumakay kami ng tricycle.
Okay.
Ay, hindi nga kami sasakay po, kaya pasensya. We just want to have fun. We're going to Robinson.
Oh, yun si sir, interviewin mo dit. Kasi, maganda ito eh. Hello, ano ba dito? Hi, kamusta po? Hello po. Ako naman. Ano po dito? Anong ihintayan dito?
Ertoda Terminal. Tricycle po.
Ay, yun pala. Sige na dito. Oh,
How much ang fare po ng tricycle?
50 pesos ma.
Around the city. Okay lang ho kayo makunan. Okay lang po kasi. Oh, okay.
Why not? Wag lang dalahin sa mama, sa kulyon.
Ay, okay. Sige po.
May sakit na mga kitong.
Nakakatawa. Ayan pala.
So if you are a visitor, you have to make sure that you check the Ertoda fare.
So that you will not be overcharged.
Yes.
Now you can give a tip.
Yeah.
Oh,
Although most of the visitors, most of the tourists, if they feel na hindi sila niloloko, it's easier for them to give extra. But if you feel that the tricycle driver is taking advantage of you, ay naku, lalo kang kuripot.
Yeah, for example, 50 pesos ang pamasahe, they'll give you a tip like, for example, 100.
Hopefully, are they doing that? Yes, ma'am. There you go. But then if you overcharge them, no.
They might report you to the police.
As Filipinos.
Yes, go Filipino, mabuhay tayo. Yan, talaga lang.
Oh, really?
Oh, excellent. What about your tip? Well, you haven't served a thing yet.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
I have a quick question.
So, yes sir. Say something. Papunta ho ng Canada ito. Sige. Oh, wala sir. Don't worry. Yes.
This is the city in the forest.
City in the forest. Say something.
And this is the cleanest city in the Philippines.
Correct.
They got 5 times award from Office of the President.
Yes. Yes.
So
I believe you, sir.
This is the city of the living God.
Amen.
And how can you prove it, sir? Malinis ba talaga dito sa ating kapaligiran ngayon?
Ay, ito lang. Hindi yan. Hindi ko kinukuha yan, sir. Wag kong kukunin yan. Okay, thank you very much.
Last question. Ito bang presyo nyo is competitive sa mga tricycle sa labas?
It's different, ma'am.
Oh.
Different. We are approved by the city government.
So it's a little bit more. Kasi the security is there ng mga pasahero. Okay, I got it. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.